this comes from the first section, and it's actually not a verify problem. It's just some practice factoring a trig expression. What kind of factoring does it look like we could do there? Factor out a sign, greatest common factor, right? If you have more than one term, they all got the same factor, factor it out. So we take out sine x, and we get cosine squared x minus 1. Now that cosine squared x minus 1, it's got to make you think of sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. There's got to be something we can do with that, right? So sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. I mean, you could actually do you could solve it for, let's say, subtract the 1 to that side and subtract the sine squared to that side. But you could even substitute for 1, right? If you write this as sine squared plus cosine squared, the cosine squareds will cancel. Okay, let's do that. Sine x, that actually sometimes is the easier substitution, right? So this will be cosine squared x minus, and I got to use parentheses here, sine squared x plus cosine squared x. And that's going to use another set of parentheses. Right, so that is sine x times cosine squared x minus sine squared x minus cosine squared x. And now the cosines cancel. And what's left? You got a sine x times negative sine squared x, which is? No. What would sine times sine squared be? Sine to the third with a negative in front of it. Right? It's not sine x minus sine squared x, right? It's sine x times negative sine squared x. So it's negative sine to the third.